Suppose, you are Tuhin. Your father who is in Dhaka wants to know about your preparation for the annual examination. Now, write a letter to your father informing him about your preparation for the annual examination. মনে করো, তুমি তুহিন। তোমার পিতা যিনি ঢাকায় থাকেন, তোমার বার্ষিক পরীক্ষার প্রস্তুতি সম্পর্কে জানতে চান। এখন, তাকে তোমার বার্ষিক পরীক্ষার প্রস্তুতি সম্পর্কে অবগত করে একটি পত্র লেখো। আনস 41 সদর রোড, রাংপুর। 10 অক্টোবর 2025। My dear father, hope you're well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine. In your last letter, you have wanted to know about my preparation for the annual examination. You know that my annual examination is going to be held in December this year. For the preparation of this exam I am taking help from our English and mathematics teachers. They're helping me greatly and very sincerely. I've revised all books thoroughly and practiced the sums again and again. I've also learnt and practiced Bangla, Bangladesh and global studies and general science very well. Now, I am fully prepared for this coming exam. No more today, with best regards to you and mother and love to Rupon. Your loving son, Tuhin. Tara চিহ্ন draw an envelope and write full addresses of the writer and receiver.